Hello guys, in this video I will just show you a screen record on how I set a premiere on each of my videos before I officially publish them on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I just decided to make this video kasi medyo marami nang nagtatanong paano po ba mag-premiere. So para mas maipaliwanag ko ng mas maayos, so here it is. So let's get started. Okay, if you are using the phone, this will be applicable to you. Okay, so the first thing you'll have to do is to go to your browser or Google Chrome. So for me, I used Google Chrome, and then I have here 5 tabs. So this is my channel. I will just click, wait lang. I will just click this create sign here above. Okay, if you can see this beside your logo. Okay, and then by the way, this is set as desktop site. Okay, so you have to set this first. Okay, if you can see these 3 dots above on the upper portion, upper left, upper right, please click that and select desktop site. Okay, so this one, it's already set. That's why you have seen this this way. So again, what you're going to do is to click this camera on the upper right here, just like the normal way of uploading your video, and then click the upload video. A premiere, guys, is not actually a live stream. It's almost the watch hour will be almost similar. The difference is that you have uploaded a video and you will only chat live with your friends or with your audience. So you will receive more watch hours than the usual watching. Okay, so you will select files. So for me, it's in the documents. And then select which file you would want to open. So for me, it's video. And then I will have this third video, my purple Trinity crochet top. Let's say I will re-upload it. Okay, so this is what it's going to show. So after putting the title, the description, the thumbnail, and any other important things you have to place in this detail part. So if you're done with that, just click next. So as you can see in the left side, so makikita nyo dito 7%. Okay, so while it is uploading, you edit now the 3 steps. Okay, you finish the 3 steps. So you can either click next, you can either click this dito sa may kanan sa baba, or just click the video elements. Okay, and then ito makiklik nyo siya, magagalaw nyo siya once the video is uploaded. So kung hindi pa siya uploaded, you skip this step 2 and go directly to visibility. Okay, so in visibility, this is where we set the video as private or public. Okay, so in this case, you will select public. Okay, because when you put it, when you select the private, it is only you who can watch the video, and it has no effect on your watch hour. Okay, unlisted, meanwhile, is you uploaded the video, but it is you and the other people who has the link or who have the link of the video can watch it. Okay, so again, based on what I have heard from other people, unlisted has no effect on the watch hour. Okay, so you click the public and then set as premiere and then schedule it. Okay, so if you would like to schedule it for today, let's say for example, for the sake of this video, I will select November 19. So let's say I will upload, I want to set the premiere of my video for tonight. So I will select 8 p.m. tonight. So kung mapapansin ninyo, every 15 minutes yung interval niya. So let's say for example 5 o'clock, and then 5:15, 5:30, 5:45, and then 6 o'clock na. Okay, so let's say 8 o'clock. Ayan. And then the time zone. You can select a time zone. Okay, for time zone, it should always be in local time. Okay, you can actually select local time, or you can just leave it. Wag nyo nang pakialaman or wag nyo nang galawin. And then you click set as premiere. So after doing that, and you're not done with the upload of your video, 50% pa lang tayo. So you can schedule it. May lalabas dito. Ayan. You can click the schedule. And then, ito na yung lalabas kahit hindi pa siya tapos mag-upload. Okay? Your video will premiere on November 19, 2020 at 8 p.m. So, you can close it and wait for it to upload. So, I will close it now. And then, I will cancel the upload because I'm done with, I have uploaded this already. Okay, so cancel. Okay, so this is how you premiere a video. So I hope that you learned something from this, and let us try to set our videos into Premiere so that we will have more watch hours, and we can also invite more people to watch and join with us so that there will be higher chance of getting more watch hours. So that's it.